Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to show you two scenarios for Bitcoin for the long and for the short position. You see my global line, my key level for the support and resistance. Here's the support and there's the resistance, and always we see some kind of sideways, of going of Bitcoin. But what should we do right now? If we stay just in the middle, of course, we can draw some support or resistance line, but we will never know when we goes up to hit this level, this resistance level, or where we go down to break and to renew some local bottom. Okay, if you know, so this is our daily chart and we are going to switch our time frame for the 1 hour chart. You know that there is a CME group that selling and buying Bitcoin futures. And I took this data in order to analyze how many of the margin position they have for the short and for the long. There is some reason way when you see the price going up, and then it stops, reverse pattern somewhere, and it's going down. To my mind, this is totally connected with the CME futures or CBOE, whatever. I'm just looking for CME because there is like more leverage there, because for one Bitcoin, for one contract, you need one future contract, you need 5 Bitcoins. So the violation, it's much more bigger. So for me, it's easier to go there because there are so many players all around there. So you see my two zones. This is my support level. It's kind of floor that helps us to support the price. You see my red zone and my green zone. Red zone for the short position, green zone for the long position. I will take the arrow and I will show you what is the logic right now of going Bitcoin of the sideways, because sometimes it's a bit complicated to decide where to put your buy stop or sell stop. I will help you to make a decision. Maybe I will help someone to make some money. The profits, this is every time the good profit for us, right? So this is our local minimum. And you know that there is like 25% of leverage, 50% of leverage, and 100% of leverage. So just imagine that if you buy the Bitcoin over here in order to play short position. So you decided that we broke our local minimum and now we are going to open the short position. So I took the local minimum in order to understand where the price can go. When there are lots of players that open short position over here, and if the price will totally breaking through this support line, there are too many players, too many traders that will win. But we don't need any trader to win. We need traders to lose, right? Except us, who knows how to play. And in order to margin call that position, you know that margin call, what is this? I hope in order to margin call of this position, the guys who took the leverage over there, we need to put the price above. Just imagine my logic. In order to liquidate here some position, we need to go up. We need to go to 25% of margin, 50% of margin, and 100% of margin. The players that play in short, the big player, they want to cut their position to 50% or to 100%. What happens right now? This is our 50% position, and you saw how definitely fast we broke this level and we go over there. If only we make some sessions about this level, this is a good sign to continue, the previous local trend, local uptrend for sure. So this is the good upside to continue the position in order to take profit. This is like, this zone is the take profit for you if you're playing long. But worse for their guys who are playing short, because totally in this case, we suppose that the margin call will start broken their position, okay? But the scenario, it's not the same. We saw how we broke this level, how we hit this level, like use, like our support and resistance zone, yeah? And we starting our consolidation just below this zone. And you see how easily we bounce this margin zone of 25% and we go right now a little bit higher. But for continue the way, we need to start our consolidation above this zone. Remember, if you will see like tomorrow when the American session will start and you will see the price that goes up and start the market and start playing session above this red zone, you can enforce or you can open your position with the take profit over here. But right now I see the scenario of short position. I will explain you why. You see, this is our position for those who opened the short position over here. Right now we create the zone for those who open the long position over here. So the same logic, if the players that open position over here, when the price will go down and hit those levels, the margin call will take all this position, and all the position will be closed immediately for the 25% or 50% or 100% of margin call. So this is our good point in order to open the short position. If you will see, this is 25, 50 and 100%. So you need to follow the second day. So you need to follow next day. I'm not really good about working on Saturday and Sunday, but tomorrow at least Friday, and you can see, because Saturday, this Sunday, the CME group, they are closed, so we cannot analyze this chart because the CME is closed for the weekend. So what we need to see in order to open our short position, at least you can open your short over here and make your stop loss regarding your ATR. You need to create your stop loss you put over here. But when you see the price that start, I will zoom you a little bit, okay guys? So when you see the price that goes over here, your take profit, if it will be short position, so if the charts will go down, you need to see that here your first take profit. If there are lots of long position over here, the second take profit will be over here. But this is not the best scenario for sure for the Bitcoin, because this is our local bottom. And once we break this level, the lots of stop losses, because the big players put their stop losses over here, or the big traders, they put lots of stop losses under local minimum, and thousands of stop losses will start breaking the pattern, and we will go even more. Okay, so just create my logic, okay, just follow my logic. If we will start right now to make a consolidation around this zone, so above our red zone, there will be a long position, preferably in preference. You can open it with stop losses under here or under here, regarding your risk management, regarding your ratio, okay, with the take profit over here. But if we will continue in other way, on the other hand, if we will continue to make the consolidation under this zone, this is the perfect sign to open short position, put your stop losses over here, and to take profit over here, to see how chart will create here some patterns, and the second take profit, it's over here. So be careful guys, just give me some feedback. Have you ever heard about this margin zone? Do you often use it? Because I know that you can use it anywhere, not just in Bitcoin. Whenever the futures you work, you can use it as your margin zone position. Thank you very much for watching me. As always, welcome to subscribe my channel. I will start making it even often if you will like it and if you will follow my. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.